Greetings, everyone. I'm Anton van Wyk from EE Group. We are the sole distributors of DJI Enterprise products in Australia. So today we're going to have a look at the all-new Matrice 4 series and comparing it with the last model that we have, which is the Mavic 3. So if you're operating in a public safety inspection, surveying or mapping environment, both drones offer advanced features tailored for professional use. So let's break down the key differences to help you determine which is the best suits your mission critical needs. So if we first of all look at the design and the different versions, both lines are designed with enterprise level reliability in mind, making them robust and quick to deploy in the field. However, the Matrice 4 Enterprise has a built-in AI model to make operations smarter, refines the body for enhanced durability, and introduces new internal hardware optimized for advanced GNSS. So the key versions is the Mavic 3 Enterprise and the Mavic 3 Thermal. Then we've got the Matrice 4 Enterprise, which comes with a mechanical shutter, and then the Matrice 4 Thermal, which features a high accuracy thermal sensor. Let's look at some of the performance and flight capabilities of these models. So for enterprise missions, efficiency is key. The Mavic 3 Enterprise already boosts up to 43 minutes of flight time and a top forward speed of around 15 meters per second. But the Matrice 4 Enterprise takes it further. The flight speed, it's up to 21 meters per second, a significant boost for time-sensitive operations like search and rescue or large-scale surveys. The flight time, 49 minutes under ideal conditions, giving you 6 extra minutes, which is crucial in reducing battery swaps during complex missions. Improved GNSS anti-jamming and spoofing. It offers more stable positioning in RF-heavy environments, ideal for infrastructure inspections near potential interference sources. These upgrades translates to fewer flights, quicker coverage, and more reliable signals, all critical factors when dealing with high-stake enterprise applications. Okay, we'll look at the camera and payload upgrades. In commercial drone work, camera performance often dictates project success. So if we look at the M3 Enterprise series, it comes with a 20 megapixel wide camera for mapping and inspections. And the M3T thermal version adds a thermal sensor suitable for industrial and public safety use. Looking at Matrice 4 Enterprise, it upgrades the standard visual camera to a 4:3 CMOS 20 megapixel sensor with a mechanical shutter, ensuring precise orthomosaics and reducing roller shutter distortion, vital for surveying. The M3E features a mechanical shutter of 0.7 seconds, while the M4 has been upgraded to a 0.5 seconds, enhancing efficiency in surveying and mapping tasks. The Matrice 4 Thermal features a thermal sensor with a plus minus 2 degrees Celsius or 2 degrees accuracy, plus a 1:3 CMOS sensor at a focal length of 1.7 for exceptional low light performance. This helps utility inspectors, firefighters, and other professionals requiring clear imaging in dim conditions. Additionally, the Matrice 4 Enterprise offers multiple focal lengths, so 1, 3, and 7 times. For more flexible inspections, you can capture close-up details without needing to fly dangerously close to structures. And with the M3 series, it introduces the laser rangefinder with an effective range of 1,800 meters. Additionally, the M4T is equipped with a near-infrared auxiliary light, providing illumination up to a distance of 100 meters. If we look at the intelligent features of these products, both of the Mavic 3 Enterprise and Matrice 4 Enterprise offers advanced flight modes and automation to reduce pilot workload. However, the Matrice 4 Enterprise raises the bar. Firstly, it enhanced obstacle avoidance and low light positioning, which is crucial for nighttime inspections or navigating tight industrial areas. It's also got the real-time AI detection and smart track. This identifies vehicles, people, boats, or continuously tracks the selected object during flight, useful for security patrols or disaster responses. The AI capability access, the Matrice 4 series supports real-time AI detection through virtual cockpit operations. It is compatible with third-party AI solutions, leveraging the M4 series onboard chipset for advanced computing. Media files from M4 series can display, count, and edit AI detection results seamlessly. The line and area drawing with LRF, it's for quickly mapping out inspection routes or define boundaries without manual flight planning or path planning. These features enable fast data capture, safer flight operations, and immediate on-site decision-making, all top priorities for enterprise environments. Let's have a look at some of the accessories on these units. To further support professional missions, DJI has developed accessories and software that seamlessly integrate with both drones. First one is the DJI A1 speaker and the AL1 spotlight, which is ideal for search and rescue and crowd control scenarios. Second, the DJI D RTK3. It ensures centimeter level positioning, a must-have for precision mapping in construction and survey. The system supports 3 operational modes. It's base mode, rover, or relay. So in the rover mode, it is capable of collecting ground control points. It's also got low noise propellers. It reduces the disturbance in the residential and wildlife areas. In terms of software bundles, with the M4E, it includes a 1-year Terra Pro, helping create highly detailed auto mosaics. With the M4T, it offers a 3 months of Terra electricity, which specializes for infrastructure and power line inspections. Combining the top-tier hardware with enterprise software helps organize and reduce workflow complexity, making Matrice 4 Enterprise a compelling upgrade. How do you decide between the Mavic 3 and the Matrice 4 series? If you're looking for a cost-effective, reliable drone for basic mapping and thermal imaging, the Mavic 3 Enterprise series still delivers great results. However, if your operations demand extended flight time, faster speeds for rapid response scenarios, mechanical shutter for high precision surveying, enhanced thermal accuracy, and also customizable AI for real-time detection and analytics, then the Matrice 4 Enterprise is the clear choice. It's built for professional environments where every second and every pixel counts. So thanks for tuning in. If you have any questions about these drones or want to share your enterprise experience, please drop us a comment below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more industry-focused drone insight. Thanks for your time.